Asterisk, asterisk, understanding obd2 code PO causes symptoms and fixes asterisk, asterisk. When your check engine light comes on and the scanner shows obd2 code p0171, it means your engine is running too lean. This happens when the air-to-fuel mixture has too much air and not enough fuel, leading to poor engine performance. Definition of p0171. p0171 stands for system too lean. This means that the air-fuel ratio is unbalanced, causing inefficient combustion. If left unchecked, it can result in reduced engine performance and potential damage over time. Symptoms of p0171. Common symptoms associated with this code include rough idle or stalling, loss of power during acceleration, poor fuel economy, surging or fluctuating RPMs. Check engine light illuminated if you're experiencing any of these issues. It's important to diagnose the problem before it worsens. Causes of p0171. Several factors can contribute to the p0171 code, including a dirty or a faulty mass airflow sensor, a vacuum leak in the intake system, a clogged or failing fuel injector, a weak or faulty fuel pump. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor pinpointing the exact cause requires thorough inspection and testing. Fixes for p0171 to resolve this issue. Consider these steps. 1. Inspect and clean the MAF sensor. If it's dirty or faulty, it can cause incorrect air readings. 2. Check for vacuum leaks. Look for cracked hoses or loose connections that disrupt airflow. 3. Test the fuel pressure. A weak fuel pump may not supply enough fuel to the engine. 4. Examine oxygen sensors. Replace them if they're malfunctioning. 5. Inspect fuel injectors. Clogged injectors can disrupt proper fuel delivery. Cleaning or replacing them may help. Once repairs are completed, clear the code and test drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. Conclusion: a p0171 code isn't catastrophic, but ignoring it can lead to serious engine problems over time. By understanding its symptoms, causes, and fixes, you can confidently take action to restore your engine's efficiency and performance.